In the broader sense, project managers are responsible for planning, organizing, and directing the completion of specific projects for the organization while ensuring these projects are on time, on budget, and within the scope. So some of the cross-cutting skills of a project manager, starting from leadership. The role of leadership in project management encompasses a wide range of activities, including effective planning, task coordination, overseeing the project, inspiring the team members, and making decisions vital to setting up a plan of actions for project implementation. Team building, the second skills, team building. The stages are like forming, people are brought together as a team. Storming, there are disagreements as people learn to work together. Norming, the team members begin to build good working relationships. Performing, the team member become efficient and work effectively together. Third is motivation. Unlike more tangible project management function, motivation is not designated by the project manager to a team member. Instead, motivation is internal to each team member and derived from a team member's desire to achieve a goal, accomplish a task, or work towards expectation. Fourth one is communication. Communication in project management refers to the sharing of ideas and opinions between professionals who are working on similar or related tasks. Usually a priority of a project leader, communication in project management ensures that each professional working on the project is aware of the goals and expectations. Influencing is a critical interpersonal skills for project managers. All interactions with the stakeholders involve influence. Successful project managers both recognize this and use a variety of influencing techniques. The selection of influencing techniques depends on the context and the individual involved. Next is decision making. The classical approach to making decisions in management is a very rational set of steps. Identify the problem, recognize there is a problem, define the goals, and gather the information needed to make a rational decision, generate all possible solutions, brainstorm all solutions, preferably in a group. Political and cultural awareness. The political awareness is listed as one of the tools and techniques to manage product knowledge, plan communication management, manage communications, manage stakeholder engagement, and to monitor stakeholders' engagement. It involves an understanding of the project and organizational environment and power structure. A cultural awareness. The purpose or the objective is to ensure that cultural diversity can be harnessed effectively to achieve a successful project outcome. When project managers are culturally aware, they understand that other people are different and that there must be strength in that difference if properly harnessed. Then comes negotiation. Negotiation is a process consisting of the activities necessary to resolve different types of dispute to consultations between the parties involved in order to reach an agreement. Negotiation can take place at any time in the project life cycle and may be formal or informal. Trust building. Trust in a project management team typically serves two purposes. It allows you to focus on what you need to do without worrying about your security or safety. Trust, therefore, creates a distraction-free environment, which also has a positive impact on the general emotional and mental well-being of the people. Conflict management. It's a practice of being able to identify and managing conflict sensibly, fairly, and efficiently. It is a process of dealing with incompatibilities or disagreements arising from For example, diverging opinion, objects, and needs. Conflict occurs almost daily in our lives. Some can vary from a minor disagreement between individuals or groups to a major extreme situation with life-threatening elements. Being a team member being a team leader or project manager, these conflicts are especially rampant and relevant in the project environment. So some different kinds like desire, disagreement, miscommunication, power struggle, relationship issues, change, etc. Conflict is not a strange thing for people. Human beings are experiencing it in their daily lives. Maybe with their friends, their families, relatives, or even in the professional life. In the workplace, conflict causes a massive degree of frustration, pain, discomfort, sadness, as well as anger. So the steps for conflict management generally clarify what the source of conflict is, find a safe and private place to discuss these issues, listen carefully from both the parties, investigate the situation, determines solutions or the way to meet the common goal. And normally in the conflict management or conflict resolution, we will try for a win-win situation. That is, both parties should be satisfied with whatever may be the outcome or whatever may be the result of the discussion, and agree on the best solution and determine the responsibilities each party has in the resolution, and evaluate how things are going and decide preventative strategies for the future. And then finally, about coaching. So it's a process of helping people and teams to perform to the best of their abilities. It involves drawing out people's strengths, helping people to bypass personal barriers and limits in order to achieve their personal best, and facilitating their ability to function more effectively as members of a team. That's all.